Hey everyone, this is Rich with FastReviews, and I'm super excited to be reviewing something that actually came through Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Like I said, like I always say, it's really rare to get these because remember that you're backing a project and not necessarily always going to receive the product, especially if it's a vendor that doesn't have manufacturing experience. So, I'm happy to take the risk on this one. There is a couple of other projects that have stalled, such as the Park and Diamond foldable hat/helmet, which according to my research, they're waiting for their global certification, blah, blah, blah. So this one actually came through, and you can get one of these. I'm going to put a link in the description below. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to read some of the specs as well too here. So this is a chargeable helmet. I have taken the liberty of charging it because it does have a lot of, got a light. And the light idea is something that I've seen in many of the campaigns before. Recently it looks like there's a lot of movement towards that, which kind of makes sense because if you're biking, especially in the winter time when due to daylight savings time being so short, and the sun is setting at 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m., you want to make sure that you're safe. Now this is sold worldwide. This is basically the box that comes in here. And I got shipped this separately, which is a visor, which until this weekend I know that I could actually put a helmet on top of my hat. Okay, my entire life, this is a realization. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. This was not our original packaging design. We saw the skies turn orange from the forest burning. We had to get serious about the environment now. So we scrapped our old packaging design, started from scratch. This time with the goal of making it as environmentally friendly as possible. It does not smell like burnt forest. All elements are 100% organic and biodegradable. We are also donating a portion to charities. So pretty nice gesture here. This is the Lumos first edition, which I hope doesn't mean that there's going to be more editions. This one happens to be red with a medium large because I think I have a big head. It has a picture of the helmet design on the side, kind of like a sketch drawing. Maybe that's a prototype drawing. There's actually apps as well too, so if you want to geek out and control the Lumos, you can do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, comes with a nice little letter. We made it. Which, did China make it or did they make it? I don't know. Alright, so it comes with a Tesla key card. One more thing and then you have to scratch it out. Lumos first edition. This is gonna suck if they're gonna have like 10 editions. If you love it, put an LED ring on it. Leave a review, so it has a QR code to leave a review. We made it. We hope you enjoy it. The whole team at Lumos, thank you for backing our project. Okay, so that's pretty cool that they give you a backer card, I guess. And that's it. One more thing. Should I scratch this out? I don't know. There's a secret little boost mode here. Alright, that is quite messy. Alright, unlock boost mode, Lumos Maxima. Okay, so I'll show you what that says. Unlock boost mode, Lumos Maxima. And then it doesn't have really an instruction. It kind of just has a the backer card and then a getting started QR code. So obviously you're gonna have to have a QR code app. All right, go ahead and pull it out, and that's all you get. So no foam, just wrapping paper. Pretty cool, matches my shirt. Oops. So it does come with a accessories, probably some cables. Let's see if we are using USB-C. Unlike the Beats, we are. So it comes with a pretty versatile, weatherproof, fabric-based USB-C cable. Probably 3 feet or 3 meters. And it comes with some rings. Oh, look at that. It comes with a left-right signal. So you mount this on your bike on the sides, and you're going to put it right here on one side, and then you're going to put it on the other side here, and it's going to go onto your handlebar. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's got a little web mesh thingy here that is probably not supposed to be here. Oh, it is supposed to be here? Okay. Yeah, so it does have a little bit of Velcro. Let's open up the buckle and let's see if we can figure this out, because I don't want to go look at a QR code for instruction. Alright, so check it out. It's got a little thing here. Okay, so the charging port's right here, and it's a USB-C charging port. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, not bad. I like it so far. Alright, and then we've got, feels like Velcro strips. So let's open it up, and hopefully we'll be able to figure out how this attaches. Just screw like that, I guess. Okay, maybe not. The other way. Alright, I guess the other way works. Kind of weird, but maybe this is washable. So, oh, we have adjustable straps here. So you can make it pretty wide, and you can tighten it up. Let's go ahead and try my hat. Okay, look like a fireman. Okay, let's try without my hat. I like the tightening because it reminds me of the Nike snowboard boot. And then let's see if we can add this visor. Okay, so this is the Lumos logo, so it's going to go face down. Okay, I guess I have to take it off first, and then so it replaces the standard visor thingy. It does have this, you can do a lot with Velcro, by the way. Okay, I got a little visor, pretty cool. Some engineering work here. This does require a CR2032 battery. Kind of weird that it's not provided. Fortunately, I have some. So just to make sure, guys, it's not a glitch, I've got a second one. I got another Lumos here. And let's take a look and see if this one provides the CR2032 battery. Okay, open up the packet here. We'll do this here. So. Look at that. So this one came with a battery here. Is that right? Ah, here it is. So it does come with a battery, sorry guys. Do not need to have my CR2032 pack. And if there's one thing you're gonna learn from this video, it's how to open up the remote. So you're gonna so you can use the CR2032 battery to open this up. Oh, never mind. They did not design it like that. Use a CR1620 battery to be able to open it up. Alright, now the battery's in there. Okay, this one is already working. Pretty cool. I don't know how long the battery life is going to be on these batteries, because typically you see a like a 12 volt A123 type of battery, but anyway. Okay. So right, just got a reminder saying, hey. It's got a reminder saying, hey, you left your blinker on. Left turn. Off. Pushing both buttons doesn't do anything. That's some feedback you guys can have, which is basically if you push both buttons, maybe it just turns off the entire thing. Pretty cool though. You're obviously going to have to make sure that your bikes are coordinated with your helmets. You cannot swap helmets because it's synced up. Alright guys, so there's one downside about this cable here. This is for the Lumos, of course, and that this doesn't support fast charging. So I cannot use this for my other devices, like my Samsung phone. It's really nice cable, it's quite large, it just doesn't support fast charging. Alright guys, so this is the Lumos Ultra. You can see that it's really bright. This whole wall is being lit here, and I can control the intensity from my phone or from the remote. I can control the turn signals. So I definitely give this a thumbs up here. You're gonna have so many features, but the most important thing is that you'll be able to see when you're riding at night safely. That's my review. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the future. Don't forget to subscribe.